here in your Taunton store in Winthrop, correct?
Yep, Winthrop Street in Taunton.
Yep, you guys have our FasCard product in here, and how long have you had it in?
Yeah, so we've had a version of FasCard here since we built the place, renovated the place probably about 11 years ago. From then we put in the original F1 readers with the 3 buttons. Recently we upgraded to the F3s, and we've been happy ever since.
All right, awesome. I want to take a look over here. So
yeah,
well, tell me a little bit about, you're kind of a family business. How did it all start?
Yeah, so my father's been in the business for as long as I've been alive, so 36 years. So from there he had 1 store, and then I went to college, and when I got out of college, we ended up deciding, if we're gonna make a real business out of this, we gotta get more. So from there we bought, 3 more stores. We had 3 in Taunton, 1 and then 2 in New Bedford, and across the board, all we use is CCI product. So
awesome. Yeah.
All the F3 readers on 4 of the stores, and then 1 store, like you said, in our New Bedford location is a full card laundry card system.
Okay. What about the area? What's the demographics like here? I mean, what kind of population?
A lot of heavy renters, very high population density within the immediate vicinity of the store. So inside of Taunton alone, we have 3 locations. So we have 89 Winthrop Street, 11 Tremont Street, and 173 Broadway.
Okay.
All 3 of those locations are probably within 2 miles of each other. They all kind of feed off of each other, which is a big part of us choosing a card system that was universal. Mm-hmm. So customers, if they came to Winthrop Street and they said, hey, it's really busy in here, we need to get this done faster, they can decide to go to our 11 Tremont Street or our 173 Broadway location, take the same card, go to the next door, and expect the same experience, whether it's from the type of machine, all virtually the same type of reader, same type of kiosk. They know what to expect every time they come in.
Consistency there, yeah. That's great.
Exactly.
That's great. And give me a sense, like how is loyalty card compared to people using credit card versus coin? What's the mix been like?
So when we started 10 years ago, it was a tough transition. Credit card acceptance, card acceptance, for the large part, changed over the years. Now we're heavy credit card, and I would say between credit card and loyalty card, it accounts for at least half the revenue at this point. Before, I would say it maybe accounted for like 25%, but over time, it's quickly adopted into something that's growing. People love the loyalty program. People love the app. People love to be able to utilize the card instead of the coin, and it's made their life so much easier.
Right.
So I think a lot of the adoption of it in the demographic, people who are here, they've generally, the younger crowd is growing up with smartphones, they're growing up with cards, and it's just a natural transition.
Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. It was an easy choice. So when we were looking at different card systems, our biggest thing at the time was we wanted to remain coin acceptance, and we wanted to be able to utilize laundry card. And CCI was the best option to us. The lowest fees, best customer service, and for me, functionality was key. So that was the easiest choice for us, and I haven't really been disappointed with the choice yet. I would say that the simplicity of how to utilize the system and the functionality improves my day-to-day and being able to utilize my time more effectively. The card reader comes in tons, more times than not comes in handy, not only for our wash, dry, fold attendants, we do wash, dry, fold at 4 of the locations. So being able to log into the system, track the data of the, what the attendant's using for money. If they're low on funds, I don't have to come to the store, get them quarters, or set anything else up. All I have to do is change the balance on their card, track it with reporting, and then being able to come here and then offer variable pricing on the machine. We do time of day pricing as well, so we utilize some of the built-in features of CCI. So we try and curb, our heavy traffic times Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and we try and push it to the midweek. So we'll utilize reduced pricing on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday from 6 to midnight. So with that, we give customers a little bit of a discount with the loyalty card. And being able to program that on the fly. It's awesome. Yeah, so like in the past, we've utilized like different types of, we've done some discounts. During the holidays, we did a Black Friday special. So we did like at midnight, the readers would, reduce pricing, or we would say, okay, if you come in and you put $20 on your card today, you're gonna get $25 back, something like that. We utilize that, and people like it. They like to be able to use the card and be able to get money back. And then we utilize the loyalty points. So the more money you spend, the more money you get back, that type of thing. And customers love that. Yeah, definitely. Tech support by far is bar none. I can say wholeheartedly that the tech support from CCI over the years has been nothing but get better. From the beginning, it was always good. I can be the first to say I have my favorites of tech support people, Jackie, Lee out there. Every time they answer the phone, I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna be on and off in about 2 seconds. So they get on, they diagnose the issue, give them the store ID, give them the location, and the tech support is just, it's quick, it's on demand. Even if it's after hours, I know I can always reach someone, so it's super important. I would tell 100% of the time if someone's starting a new store, the question is not, what we're gonna do. It's, you have to do card, you have to do loyalty card. And like I said before, I'm partial to still coin. So I'm 100% of the time always gonna push the FasCard product. I'm partial to the FasCard. And if I tell anyone, hey, if you're looking to do a new store, something that's state of the art, has to be FasCard, hands down. ROI on the payment system for me, simplicity of use, customer interaction with it, how it affects my time, and being able to, having 5 stores, I need the flexibility that CCI offers to basically be able to implement something, change things quickly, not have to individually program every machine if I'm going to make a change. Because if you're going to do multi-stores, you have to have a payment system that works fast and works with you, because I couldn't possibly split my time just a full coin store. It would be virtually impossible. And you can't scale, without having the functionality, the reporting, and all the backing stuff that CCI has to kind of push things forward.